Hi, this is another video from DocuSample. This is a California Association of Realtors addendum form. Just going to give you a quick tutorial how to complete it. And just to mention, these forms are copyrighted, so you're only allowed to use it if you have access through the California Association of Realtors. So this form, again, is an addendum. Up here, you're going to put in a number to correspond with this addendum. What we like to do is put a date on it rather than just a number. In a transaction, you'll might have several different addendums, and if you use the date as the numbering system, then if you don't have all addendums signed, then you can just use the date addendums as they come up. You don't have to have them all in order. So in this case, it's an addendum made part of the residential purchase agreement, so you check the box right there. On this line, that's the date that you wrote the purchase agreement. Here you would put the address, and when you autofill this form through the WinForm site, it will allow you to put the address and the city, state, and zip code. Then it's going to ask you the buyer's name. In this case, there's two. Some of the names are blanked out just for privacy. And you're going to put the seller's name on the next line. And then you would write addendum. You can write whatever you need to write. In this case, there was a correction on the original purchase agreement that it was dated incorrectly. So this one corrects the date of the purchase agreement to June 10th. It had the APN or parcel number for the property. That's blanked out right there. And then it dealt with some personal property, saying that the Murphy bed is not included in the sale. And then it talks about another addendum in which the hot tub in this case is not included in the sale of a different property. And one of the trees, the seller was being allowed to remove it, which normally you can't. After you complete whatever you wish to say, you'd move down here and have the buyer and seller date, this buyer on this side and the seller on this side, sign the addendum, and then it becomes part of the purchase agreement. And right here it specifies, it says the foregoing terms and conditions are agreed to, and the undersigned acknowledge receipt of a copy. Always give your clients a copy of whatever you have them sign, whether electronically or in paper. Down here again it talks about the copyrights for these forms. Oh, you can only use them if you're authorized, but that's how you complete an addendum. Hope this was helpful. From DocuSample. You can see us on the web at DocuSample.com. Thanks.